when our welding communication line is connected normally. Log into the Teach pendant as an administrator. Click the Function button and then click Welding Process. Then choose our communication method. In the video, it is analog communication. Click here on the screen to match current and voltage. The welder in the video has a maximum current of 200 amps. So the circuit peak is set to 200 amps. The voltage value needs to match the current value setting. Fill in a voltage with a value below 8. Click Send on the send screen. 116 is displayed on the welding machine screen. If the link is successful, it will show that the sending is successful and vice versa. Our welder is 200 amps. So we need to increase the voltage until the welder screen value reaches 200 amps or close to 200 amps. Speed up the calling process in videos. When the welding voltage is adjusted to 8.55, the welding machine screen shows 199 amp. When adjusting the voltage to 9, the welder screen also shows 199 amps. Proof that we found the correct value of voltage. So adjust the voltage back to 8.55 amps. Confirm the current parameters again. Now we send 100 amps of current. Perform a verification. The welding machine screen shows a current of 99 amps. The error value is within a reasonable range. Click Save. The setting is successful. Current voltage and matching completed. Now make a current setting. Click here on the Teach pendant screen. The current setting is set according to the customer's process requirements. Just need to set the current in the screen. This is the arcing current. This is the welding current. This is the arc extinguishing current. Adjust according to the process you need. Click here on the screen. The parameters inside are all adjusted according to your process.